Good evening guys, I am Raven Paul Dagis from BS Criminology-2. So today guys, I'm gonna show you to how taking a picture of an stop motion of the electric fan. And I'll show you to how set up the shutter speed, aperture, and the ISO. So let's go guys. So first, I'm gonna set up the aperture. I'll put it on 5.6. The second step, I'm gonna set up the ISO into 163. So lastly, I'm gonna set up the SS. I'm gonna find the comfortable SS because it's too dark in there. So finally, I find the comfortable SS. So this is the result of the stop motion of an electric fan. Tanan! Thank you for watching. So today guys, I'm gonna show you to how take a picture of an object without using a flash at night. So let's go guys. So first, I'm gonna set up the aperture into 5.6. And the second, I'm gonna set up my ISO into 200. Up into 1 to 1000. So let's see what's happening next. Finally, this is the photo was taken at night without using a flash. So thank you for watching.